Orange, cherry, banana, watermelon, grape. Banana. Ugh. Orange, cherry, banana, banana, banana. I don't remember. Ah! Hold up, hold up. Oh man, wait, keep going. Oh my god.
Why does he sound like Donnie from the Wild Thornberries?
Did you see that? You bitch! As I'm going to be camping on my birthday. Ooh, I went camping once and there was some deers having sex in the woods and I thought it was a bear and I was so afraid because when they have sex, like they like sound like a bear. Like it's like that's what it sounds like. Damn it.
Stop. I saw it too late. The way she said stop.
No, shit! I didn't think he could come in here.
Please try to remember your pants. We're just gonna light it on fire and hope to God that I survive. Did it die? Did it die? Hey. Why was my cue not working?
Only that didn't work. You lied. You lied to me. You lied. Well, we survived, Fred. Oh.